Welcome to Fast Tip Friday. This is Amy Bowser-Rollins with Litigation Support Guru. In today's tip, I want to share with you something cool that I think you'll find helpful. In this example, I have a list of Bates numbers, and each value is separated by an underscore. So for instance, this is the company, and then the custodian, and then the numbers. So for whatever reason, I want to replace the second underscore only with a dash. So if I did a search and replace in this column and I replaced underscores with dashes, it would replace everything. So this is where the super cool formula comes in. So we're going to go right here. We're going to start a formula with an equal sign. We're going to start typing. We're going to choose substitute. I'm hitting the tab key. The way the formula works is it prompts you for the values down here that you need to put in. And each one's separated by a comma. So we're going to start with the first value. It's asking for text. What it's really asking for is the cell that contains the text string. So in this case, it's this cell right here. So then we're going to hit a comma. And then the old text that we want to replace is an underscore. And then we have to put text within double quotes. So we're going to do double quotes, underscore, double quotes, another comma. And then the new text is going to be a dash. So double quotes, dash, double quotes, comma. Now, the really cool part here is that you can tell it which instance to replace instead of all of them. So the first instance is the first underscore between the company and the custodian. But the second instance is the one that we want to replace. So we put a 2 in here. We close the paren, hit enter, and now we've got the value looking the way we want it to. We can double click on the fill handle to fill it all the way down. And then remember, these are formulas until you paste them in as values, meaning that if you leave it like this and anything changes with the cells that it's being referenced to, so in this case A5, A6, A7, it may change the way this looks. So what you want to do is you want to we call it hard coding. So we're going to copy the values that are currently formulas. So we're just going to copy them. Then most people will come over and replace the original value because they were trying to turn it into this anyway, but I'm going to come over here instead and not override anything. So what we want to do is we want to paste values. So we're going to right click and then choose paste and then paste values. So now when I click on it, let me hit escape to get rid of the dotted lines. Okay, so now we have values. You can see that they're the hard values, hard-coded values. Okay, so this is formulas, this is values, this is better. All right, so I can see where this can come in handy in all kinds of ways. So I'm hoping you can put this to good use.